Should you have extended early voting hours?
Well, I'm very confident that the right thing happened. We had 4.4 million people voted.
No, you said that, but should you have extended early voting hours?
We had 4.4 million people voted. We had great, we had...
Can you answer the question?
I was in line for about 5 hours. Long time.
The longest lines in Miami-Dade have been here in Miami Gardens, and from Miramar to downtown to Aventura to Miami Beach, the lines have all been long.
How long did you wait?
I wait 7 hours.
Governor Scott said it all makes him comfortable. He and the Republican legislature did the right thing in slashing the number of early voting days. And critics note the longest lines and potentially the most discouraged voters were in heavily Democratic areas. Was it a political decision, sir? Did you not want more Democrats showing up? The governor did not want to answer that either. Or why he and the legislature did nothing to curtail absentee ballots, which favor Republicans, while targeting early voting, which favors Democrats. Why didn't you extend the hour? Why didn't you extend the hour?
We did the right thing.
It's the right thing that we don't know who the president could be?
4 million people voted in early voting and absentee. Well, I'm very confident that the right thing happened, that the right thing happened, the right thing happened, the right thing happened.